founder of Nerve Solutions. The past 1.5 years have seen retail participation in financial markets go through the roof. Number of active accounts is at a record high across different geographies, and investors and retail participants have shown a keen interest in trading and investing in complex products like derivatives, options, and even cryptos. As trading volumes shoot up, two gaps continue to remain: strong risk management and surveillance for companies and trading firms offering these trading products to their end clients, and for the end users, lack of enterprise grade tools that allow them to optimize their portfolios, to make better trading decisions and manage their risks. Our proprietary system N-Prime solves this problem by using algorithms for trading as well as risk management. N-Prime is a unique plug-and-play multi-asset product that is useful and has a use case for enterprises as well as retail investors. For enterprises, it ensures that they can improve their processes for real-time risk management, surveillance, and regulatory reporting. And for retail investors, it offers them enterprise-grade tools for portfolio optimization, risk management, trading, strategy building, and overall making better investment decisions. N-Prime is currently overseeing average daily asset size of about $500 million on a daily basis. We are currently bootstrapped and profitable, and we have close to 20 enterprise clients across India and the Middle East. Our revenues expected for 2022 stand at $250,000, and we are currently looking to raise $2 million for a runway of about 18 months. The $2 million that we are looking to raise would be spent predominantly to expand our operations globally in the MENA region. Also, we would want to strengthen our product development team and add more team members who are specialized in the domain of derivatives, options, and cryptos. Thank you.